What a day. We are now beginning a segment called The 12 Days of Christmas, where every day we will do a video that relates to Christmas. The video called Joy to the World will be released very soon. But until then, let's see what we have today. Aw, they did a video and they didn't include me? Oh, they're gonna pay for it. I'm sure they'll pay for it, Morty. Right after we see what's behind door number 12.
Hey, look, Amy. They sent us dog food.
Dog food? Bleh! I don't know about you, but I'm getting some very serious flashbacks about dog food.
I wonder why.
Because I ate dog food in another video. What do you want this time, Takrit? Dog food. Yum, yum, yum. You won't mind if I take this, would you? Oh, sure. Go ahead.
You can take all the dog food you want.
All right. Well, that's all the time we have for tonight. Now I'm gonna go lay down for a while.